Hi, this is Dan again. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 things to look for when attending an open house. Now, I like to attend open houses. Yeah, usually about 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 a month. And I do like to walk around, especially in my neighborhood. I like to see what the homes are kind of going for and just get a feel of the market. And also outside of my neighborhood, especially if I'm on vacation, for instance. I like to look around, see what the markets are like, and kind of compare them. A lot of times I find out the grass is always greener on the other side. Basic questions I like to ask or look for is how many days on the market is a home been on the market? All right, if it's been there for 5, 6 months and 3 or 4 price cuts, that might be a little red flag indicator. Also, for that day, I like to just kind of look at the foot traffic or to see what's kind of happening, especially in that neighborhood, especially online to see how many hits there are, people looking for that particular property, and also the comps around that particular neighborhood. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Number 5, the things to look for when you're attending an open house. Basically, I want to look for potential future repairs. What am I going to have to put into the home after the close of escrow? And how do I really like to prevent a lot of these mystery things happening? Home inspection. That's what I like to do. Get a home inspection once you're real serious about purchasing that property. Number 4, I'm looking for the neighborhood. Location, location, location. Is it near a school? Is it near grocery stores? Public transportation. I mean, especially if you're in the Bay Area and you can get to the BART and it's walking distance to the BART station. Yeah, that's valuable, especially if you want to use it or not even when you sell it. It'd still be a great thing to have. Location, location, location. Number 3, the layout, how space is being utilized. Depends. Can your furniture fit in the rooms that you're looking to purchase? Is it big enough? Or do you care? Sometimes I even like small rooms. I want a small office. The reason I like to have a small office, easier to cool, especially in the summertime when it gets hot. Easier to heat in the wintertime in that room. Again, space, layout, a lot of times this is whatever is your personal interest and what suits you or what you need or want. Okay, number 2, the functionality of the systems. For instance, the HVAC, your air conditioning system. Yeah, it's important to know, is it new? Is it broken? Is it on its last couple of years? Put that into your budget when you're purchasing the home. Also, I'm looking for just any water damage, things like that when you get into the structural issues. For instance, that's number 1. So number 2 would be just the HVAC and the system like that, for instance, of the appliances, the stove. But number 1 is a structural. You want to look for the water damage if it's inside. You want a roof inspection on the outside. You want to look for the painting or the siding. Does that need to be replaced? Cracks in the foundation. Yeah, that's very important. Okay, well, do love to go to open houses. I know a lot of people, agents in the profession, say all you'll get is a bunch of looky-loos and people in the neighborhood that are just looking for the comps or ideas for their interior decorating tips. But I do like to go to the open houses. I definitely learn something, and I just kind of feel like I have a pulse on the market. Well, if you can, please like and subscribe in the comment section below. Again, don't hate on me. I'm just a man with a mullet and a dream. Thanks a lot. Goodbye, and see ya later.